Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about how to answer the top question, what are your strengths? As well as I have given 10 best samples you can utilize when you're answering your interview questions. So let us move on to understand what are your strengths. When you're answering this question, what are your strengths? You should look on your personal qualities, you should look on your professional qualities, and whenever you are answering this question, you should look on whatever you are going to answer that should be relevant to the job which you are attending the interview. You should not tell totally a different strengths that is nowhere relevant to your job. Hence, it is always try to be relevant to the job which you are attending when you're answering any interview questions. So I have given 10 examples, 10 examples which you can take from this video and you can fine tune based on your job requirement. So let us move on to understand what are those 10 best samples which you can utilize. The first example is passionate. You should tell as your first strength would be a passionate. You should all the time you should talk about always you are passionate about your job or the work which you are doing. Because of that, you are enjoying your work on day-to-day basis, and that itself it is giving a high motivation for you. The second is reliable. You should answer I am more reliable and trustworthy person. Because of this, in all the assignments which I have taken till now, which are very complex in nature, and all the time my leadership team reliable on me on any tough situation because I'm able to take up these challenges. I can go an extra mile in completing this task. That is how you should answer because this is your second strength. The third strength would be creative. You should tell to the interviewer, I am very much creative in every task which I perform. Any task which I perform, I am going to look for a value addition on each activity which I am going to perform. In that way, by bringing the value addition, it helps the organization to save the efforts, increase the productivity, and so on. So this is the third strength which you can call out in your interview. The fourth strength is patience. I'm having a lot of patience. I'm very calm all the time, whatever the kind of situation, whether it is a complex situation or the bigger challenges or the client escalations or any escalation that matter. I will be very much calm and I try to understand the situation, things in a step-by-step manner on how to resolve those issues. Patience is my strength. So let us move on to the fifth example, determination. I am very much determined on any task or anything which is assigned to me. My goal is all the time is focused on how to meet that goal, how to solve that goal, how to deliver the things well within the timeline, or how to solve that goal. That is my strength. That this is the fifth example. Then let's move on to the sixth example, good listener. If you are a good listener, then pick this item as your strength and you can tell them, I am a very good listener. I am not going to speak out until other person is going to tell me everything. Then based on that, I am going to speak up because I will be a more listening not than speaking all the time. Because of that, I am able to solve the problem in a faster manner. Then the seventh example is well organized. You are a well organized person, then take this as your strength. You can really call out, I am a well organized person. Anything which I need to deliver, you are going to make a to-do list and you are going to concentrate on resolving one by one activity. In that way, even if it is a complex problem, still you are able to solve the complex problems in a well organized manner. That is how you should answer this strength sample 7. The eighth the problem solver. You can quote some of the examples which you solved in your previous organization, what all the things you have done. You may call out some of the challenging situation and tell them, I'm a good problem solver, I have solved these many problems, I solved the challenges. You should. The ninth is team player. If you are a good team player, then pick up this strength and you can answer this interview question saying, I am a very good team player, so that brings lot of productivity in the team. Because of me, I am a good team player. If you have any examples to talk about, then please give some of the examples why you say you are a good team player. So in that way, there is a connection between your answer and what you are telling. Then let's move on to the last example is empathy. You are connecting with any of your team member because there is a personal rapport has been built up, because you empathize everyone on the work which they are doing or any problem which they are facing. You are trying to solve their problems and you are all the time you are in the front face to how to treat the people. That's how you have built in a lot of bond and connectivity with the team. I have given 10 samples for your strengths. What you should do is go through all these 10 strengths and see which one is really mapping to you. Start preparing it. Some of the real examples. I hope you are able to understand how to answer what is your strengths interview questions. And also I have given 10 examples. What is the different strengths you can call out in the interview based on the relevancy of the job. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then do click on subscribe button and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.